So as you can see, I have dynamic island punch hole on top of my screen and I have just now enabled it. So if I turn my music on Spotify, this is how it is gonna look like. It shows Spotify symbol that I am playing music on Spotify. Also, if I turn on my earphones, or you can say Bluetooth earphones, and connect it to it my mobile, then this animation shows that I have connected my earphones, that is AirDops 402. Also, if I connect my charger to the mobile, then this is the animation which it will gonna show. Isn't it cool animation, guys? So let's see how you can turn this on. So first of all, you need to install this application that is called Island, and I have given link of this application in the description. So open this application and give some necessary permissions. Now you are good to go. Now the dynamic island has turned on. You can see a demo here. So there isn't much to explore here. You can just turn on and turn off this neon light. Also you can turn off or turn on the iOS size dynamic island, and that's it. Also, as you can see, I have shown you demo. This is the demo. This is how it's gonna look like. I know, guys, lot of YouTubers have shown you the app that is Dynamic Spot, which provides a lot of other options, but I have not included that application in this video because on some devices it is not working, because it is not applicable, or you can say it is not supporting to some devices. That's why I have shown this application for those devices on which Dynamic Spot might not work. Also, there's one major problem which you can see. So that app which I am talking about, that is Dynamic Spot, has been developed by XDA developers, which is a trusted source, but this application is not trusted, so you may or may not install this application, and that's up to you. So I keep that choice up to you. So if you want to install this application, you can install it, or else if you have some security reasons, then I suggest you not to install this application. And that's it for this video. If you like it, then make sure to like and do subscribe. Let's meet you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe.